I do have a technical background. I was an engineer implementing systems for the federal government across a number of SIs. And so I have an understanding of what it takes to actually deliver. And one of the things I found is that complexity to some extent is built into the system in the sense that organizations are designed in order to deliver massive projects that run years. And that has created a complexity in and of itself. And so what we've tried to do at Software AG Government Solutions is bring a different approach to how we share information and how we allow access to both legacy systems and modern systems. So I often talk about there being multiple generations of innovation. And I think for us, being able to adapt and connect to and engage with all variants of technologies, whether it's a mainframe, whether it's a microservice today, or whether it's something in between, whether it's a web service or a SOAP interface or JSON or whatever it is, we have the ability, and we've existed throughout all of those generations of innovation, and can bring to our customers and our partners the ability to modernize any IT infrastructure using today's current standards, yet also being able to adapt to the language of past technology generation, shall we say. So that's what we do.